had this thought and I posted it on Facebook, but I think it's worthy of a TikTok post. If you're a Christian and you're making fun of people who are vaccinated or are not vaccinated, I don't think that's what Jesus would do. I think it's important to respect everyone. It doesn't matter if they're stupid. And by stupid, I mean just have a difference of opinion. It's okay to have a difference of opinion. That's why we're God's children. But really, seriously, like, dude, if you're a Christian and you're making fun of somebody because they got the vaccine, it's just political. And if you're making fun of someone, like, you're openly mocking people that are your brothers and sisters in Christ. Do you really think that that's what God would want? And if you're making fun of people who are not vaccinated, where's your compassion? I mean, really, you're supposed to be witness of Christ, especially to people who are non-believers. Anyway, that's it.